Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm here at Auto Madness Qatar. It is a car event and the first of its kind here in Qatar. So basically it is a European inspired indoor car show with lot of events such as drifting, car shows and car catwalk. And as you can see behind me there are some pretty cool cars in the background. So I'm going to save the best ones for the last, so stay tuned and let's start exploring. So first of all we have this beautiful yellow colored C7 Corvette. Next to it we have this GT500 Shelby, a classic Ford Mustang GT500 Shelby. It's an amazing car, one of my absolute favorites. Then we have this, a true JDM, the GT Corolla Trueno. We have seen it in many Japanese Tokyo Drift movies. It is a Toyota Corolla GT 1984 AE86 Trueno. And right next to it we have the another AE86. This is the newer version, a little bit later. And then we have the iconic Nissan Datsun Z, the Fair Lady. It has a wide body kit on this. I love the color of this car. Then we have the legendary R34 GTR. It has a carbon fiber hood. It is a full carbon fiber, by the way. This R34 GTR is full carbon fiber, including the spoiler and everything. Just look at this. It's pure total carbon fiber. And then we have this classic Mercedes 380 SL. Look at the interior of the car. Classic luxury right there. Let me show you the front. It looks amazing. Then we have this Chevrolet Silverado and this car as well. So this is a 1983 Zimmer Golden Spirit. It's a classic luxury car. It has this golden eagle on the front of the hood. Golden everywhere. It is a classic luxury. Golden Spirit. The size of this thing is ridiculous. It's quite large. And this paint job combined with the gold, it really looks luxurious. So guys, these are not actually Land Cruisers. These are basically simulators. Inside these Land Cruiser bodies, there are actually screens and controls that you can play a game on the front screens. So basically inside these steerings and everything, they are connected to that screen. So when you are inside you can actually experience driving the Land Cruiser on the screen. So it's a virtual simulator. So at this part we have all the Corvettes. Look at these. The classic Corvettes as well. ZR1. A beautiful Corvette. And this is the one with the pop-up lights. I really like that. Then we have another one. Look at this cool art. It is basically a painting and then they have put some 3D effect to it. Even the lights. Look how cool this painting looks. And then we have more paintings over here. 911 GT3 RS. And a lot of paintings. This is a Land Cruiser LC200. And it's just 2 doors in this amazing blue paint job. Look at the color and the interior. It has yellow interior. It looks like a Rolls Royce Cullinan. Yeah. And under the hood we have this. Then we have this Jeep Gladiator 4x4, fully modified in spec. Look at the way it's standing. It has dual suspension in the front, winch and all that stuff. Look at this Jeep. Even the doors, it looks like a dune buggy. Amazing. This is some cool stuff right here. That's insane. And this is a modded Supra. It has a carbon fiber hood. And all the way down the suspension has been lowered with some livery on there. These custom rims, custom spoiler at the back, a big wing, and it's a GR Supra, by the way. And then we have a Cybertruck over here as well, and it's so dirty already. If you guys haven't seen my Cybertruck review, you should definitely watch that one. I have reviewed the Cybertruck, so visit my channel and watch the Cybertruck video. This is the Cybertruck. Then we have another Mark IV Toyota Supra. This beautiful blue color. I like these silver rims. Guys, so there are many insane cars here. This is the Mercedes-Benz SLS. Look at this. It's amazing. Then we have another Mercedes GTR. Another Mercedes. Look at these classic Mercedes. These are collector cars, special editions. And then we have this, a wide body Porsche 911. There's a bike in the background screaming. This is a 911, and this is my favorite classic 911. Then we have this RWB. It is the only 911 here in Qatar that is tuned by Akira Nakai, that Japanese Porsche tuner. He tunes some insane Porsche cars like this one. You guys think Land Cruisers are boring? Wait until you see this. Absolutely insane. Look at that. It has different rims in the back and the front. Look at this. Exhaust coming out of the straight from the engine. That is amazing. It has a turbo right here. Highly not road legal. So there is this modded car over here. We have this classic Nissan Patrol, two of them, in pretty good shape. Well, the show is huge. Like, I'm trying to cover as many cars as I can. This is a Volkswagen Golf. Pretty nice. We have another Volkswagen Golf here. Then we have this Mercedes Classic, a classic truck. Just look at these cars. 240Z Fair Lady, a GMC. Then we have some of these Pontiacs. And my absolute favorite is this one, the LC100 Land Cruiser. I just love this thing. Then this one, by the way, the two-door version. Amazing. We have this VTEC 4800 VTC Nissan Patrol. And this one is from Dubai. A classic one as well. And then we have this Ford Bronco that is actually converted into a truck. Just look at this. It has spare tires at the back, and they have changed the shape of it quite. Even the interior has been modified. Seems like a dune buggy. Massive wheels on this thing. Amazing. I would really want to see this in action. We got this amazing Mustang here. With aero kit, air suspension, wide body, two-tone colors. The color just changes as we go towards the back. It has green carbon fiber, olive green carbon fiber on the hood, and an exposed engine. Looks amazing. look at this tiny car, and guess who's driving? Pink Panther. Hello, Pink Panther. Tiny trucks, mini trucks, classic ones, amazing. Guess who's here? Tesla. Like, look at the cars, which are absolutely insane. And then we have these things. The background absolutely roasted like it's a classic Suzuki Jimny. And I love the color on this, by the way. It's amazing. The attention to detail, even the seat belt, they have colored that into blue color. Like, this really shows how much effort car enthusiasts put into making their car one of a kind. Look at this. This is a Camaro SS. It is a fully genuine 1969 Camaro, all the way from Bahrain. Beautiful orange and white paint. Look at the interior. Absolutely flawless. So guys, this is the part where all the supercars are. Let me show you around. We have this Mercedes GTR in this amazing green color, and one more white Mercedes GTR next to that. We have this Dodge Viper, Lamborghini Huracan, all the way from Saudi. Looks amazing. Then we have an Aventador next to it. The color on this is amazing, and check out the number plate too. It is an Ultimate SJ edition. Forget everything, just check the number plate. Then we have a GT3 RS. One of my absolute favorite cars. This one is from Bahrain. I love the spec, the red and white. A Brabus Mercedes GTR, and it's pink with white wheels. It looks sick. It's a 900 Brabus Rocket, white rims, and the carbon fiber touch-ups. Look at the carbon fiber roof. We have carbon fiber on the side mirrors. It's a V8 bi-turbo. Absolute heck of a car. Look at this. The interior is quite sick, pink and white.